We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother MFC L8610 printer. And we're going to show you how to replace your belt unit. So if you've been getting a belt low or replace belt warning, we're going to show you how to get that taken care of. It's a very simple process. First thing you want to do is we're going to want to lower this front cover. So you're going to push on this button on the top right side of the printer, lower this all the way down. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this drum tray, pull straight out. And now what we're going to need to do is there's a number 2 tab here on the left side of the printer. You're going to push that to the left. You'll feel it kind of lock into position. And now you're going to grab this number 1 handle in the front, and in the back you'll see handle marked number 3. You're going to lift up on handle number 1 until it comes freely out of the printer. Set that on a clean, dry, flat surface. And now when we look inside the printer, you're going to see this big green handle right here in the front. This is going to be your belt unit. So you're going to carefully put your hand in there and only touching this part on the green part in the front, remove the belt unit. This is your belt unit. You can set this off to the side. Once you have your new one unpacked and ready to go, you're going to take it, give it a quick look over, make sure there's no packaging material on your new belt. You're going to carefully, again holding it by the green handle, slide it into the printer. Set it down. It should sit snugly down about the same height as this front cover here. Now we can replace our drum and toner. Again at an angle, just like we took it out. You're going to set that in. Now we can push this number 2 tab back down. And then slide our toner tray back in. Close the front cover. And now we need to tell the printer that we replaced the belt unit. The printer doesn't know we replaced it until we tell it. So what you need to do is you're going to click on the settings option, which is going to be on the bottom right hand side of the screen. After you do that, you're going to see an option for all settings. Go ahead and hit the all settings option. We're going to use the arrow keys to scroll down and find machine info. Click on machine info. Now we're also going to use the arrow keys here now to go down and find parts life. Click on parts life. And then you're going to find an option that says belt. So what you're going to do is you're going to click and hold the belt option for about 5 to 10 seconds, and the screen should change. And it's going to ask, do you want to reset the belt? Click yes or no. And then once you click yes, that's going to tell the printer that you replaced your belt. That'll get rid of that warning message until it's next time to replace it. And if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer those for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help supply this for you as well. We hope you have a great day in your backup and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.